Yes, very valid question. Now, I would like to tell first to all of you, whenever you try to talk to me on WhatsApp, make sure your grammatical structure of your sentence is proper and correct. If I find that you're torturing me with incorrect language structure, I will definitely refer you to some of your class fellow. Yesterday, I said the same to Rudra, and for days, I'm saying the same to Rachel also. So, kindly take this advice in a very happy and in a very positive spirit. Because you think yourself the way you thank your Hindi ma'am, alright, we also thank you, but we sometimes get very much afraid that is this the way? Didn't you speak? Didn't. Have you heard your teacher saying didn't? Is this the pronunciation of did and then apostrophe and then t? It's always didn't. You people act so smart, so always be ready to learn new things and be always ready to imbibe new changes in yourself. Right now you're in seventh. After days you'll be moving to eighth. Then time will flew by that moment and you'll be ninth, you'll be 10th. What kind of seniors will you be if you are not ready to make changes in your own self? Am I clear? So if I'm replying you that dear, kindly correct your structure, kindly take it very seriously that ma'am really want me to improve. It's not that I don't want to answer you. It's just that I want you to correct yourself and then I'm here at this shore of the river. I'm here, you come and I'll help you out. Okay, so let's begin our topic. As you are aware that we have already finished our literature textbook chapters, trees. One, nobody will speak in between. Let me finish first. You may always raise your arm. Your camera is open, Rudra. You sit a bit backwards. Your face is just appearing like a very big face. Sit comfortably. Place your mobile. Yeah, you go backwards. Nice, pleasant. Right. So, have you seen your half yearly syllabus? Nod your heads. Nobody will unmute and say. I have shared the screenshot. Yes, Vivek Kumar, your camera is not open. Amit Kumar Pal, you're on holiday, and many others are holidaying. I don't know. So yes, so if you have seen the screenshot, okay, इतना भी नहीं हिलाना है कि मोच आ जाए. If you have seen the screenshot, then you might be clear that ma'am has kept all these chapters, especially in grammar and writing, and these all chapters are yet not taught. So ma'am will be now focusing on grammar and writing portion. Now, second thing, I have made a video of trees, and I now today before joining this class I saw around 60 plus views are there. So I believe you people have heard the explanation of trees. Was it tough? Now nod anti-clockwise direction. If no, if you feel it is tough, so you nod in the same direction as you're doing earlier. For yes and for no, side by. For yes, upside down. Very nice. Amit has joined us. Vivek is having some refreshment time. All right. So, Rachel, your pink wall is visible, but not you. Place your camera, Rachel. Place your camera nicely, my girl. All right, children. So, articles and determiners I covered that day on WhatsApp 1 hour and half hour more, 1.5 hour. And I believe you all have learned and understood. And there were few students who asked even the other day, ma'am, please tell me this, please tell me this. I did reply them. So now today the topic is, quickly come to page number. You all are having your grammar books with you. Have you? Have you kept your grammar book by you? Nice, nice, nice. Keep a pencil in your hand. Fast. Okay. So today we are going to learn 8.4. 8.4, page number 8.4. Sentences, simple, compound, and complex. Very short, interesting, knowledgeable chapter. Yes, yes, I've seen Aditya. All right, so should I start? Yes. Yes, nobody will open the mic. Let's follow a decorum. Do you know how horrified I was while taking your WhatsApp class? I was saying in my heart, आज तो मैं फंस गई. Now I'm going to hold my ears. I'm going to hold my ears. I'm not going to take any class on WhatsApp because, man, students were not listening. They keep sending their photos of books. And I'm requesting and I'm requesting and I'm requesting. And my petrol was over. So the moral of the story, never take WhatsApp class. If you unmute, if you change these settings, and again you change these settings, how many number of times you change these settings? Students are not going to listen. So the moral of the story is next time plan any class on Microsoft Teams. Okay. Okay, jokes apart. So, children, I think I will not be sharing any screen, but I'll be sharing your own faces so that you can get a clue that how many of us have opened the cameras. And please don't give me a chance to say that children open your camera. Okay, is the screen clear, visible now? Shared. 9 cameras are open. At least 33 people. Who? Vivek, your camera is on. If it is on, Vivek, why VK is only appearing on screen? Okay, leave. I don't have much. I know. There might be some issue. The students who are sitting very close with their mobile phones, I request them place your mobile a bit backward so that I can get to see your lovely, beautiful, handsome face. Beautiful for beautiful girls, handsome for handsome boys. It is understood. All right. So, we have discussed earlier that sentences are of four kinds: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Each of these, each of these is used for a different purpose. Now, on the basis of structure, we can divide sentences into three broad categories. Right, so what are these categories? Simple, compound, and complex. Now, one by one, we will be paying focus to each and every kind. Simple sentence. The verb in the above sentence is okay. So there is a sentence. I did not read it first. I should read it first. Uh, Sheena sat in the park. Consider this sentence. Sheena sat in the park. Now, sat is shown finite verb. All right. Now, what is a finite verb? A verb which agree a verb which agree with its subject in number and person and tense. Okay, that is finite verb. It means if the now you're visible, Vivek, now you're visible. If the verb, if the tense is changed, so the verb will also change. This is what finite verb means. Kindly listen to my words very clearly and usko samajhna bhi hai. So if I say I play rugby, rugby is a sport. I was playing rugby. I had played rugby. Okay. I teach you all. I was teaching you all. I have been teaching you all. I had taught you in previous class. So teach, teaching, teaches, taught. This is the form of a verb, and all these forms of verbs are different. Yes or no? Nod your head. Aditi is not nodding her head. Good. कोई भी माइक नहीं खोलेगा. You will not make me afraid again like I got afraid in WhatsApp. If you'll try to make me afraid, then I'll be very naughty then. I may do so many things. Okay, so finite verb concept clear. A verb which agrees with its subject in number. Number means what? If the subject is singular, the verb will get singular. If the subject is plural, the verb will be plural. So the number is also changing and the verb is also agreeing with the subject. Am I clear? So this is the characteristic of finite verb. Okay.